Vechain holder, Vechain has absolutely make you a rich man, my brother, make you millionaire, because my friends, Vechain is wake off after a long time, my friend, and I hope at the end of month they will make you millionaire. So let's see what's the prediction, what's the predict. Let's predict this coin. And absolutely, I have one request for all of you, my brother, to kindly subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon if you are new on our channel. Please subscribe this channel, click the subscribe button, man. All right, so the Vechain is wake up after a very long time, my friend. It's a very good news, my friend, for all of you. If you check out the last 24-hour chart, exactly, my friend, in the last 24 hours they take a very massive jump. You can see the last 24-hour chart is on the screen of Vechain. A massive jump on the screen. You can see, my friends, a very massive jump, very big pump, my friend. You can see this time in the Vechain. So absolutely, this is very good for all, especially for short time investor. If you invest for a short time in a Vechain, exactly, my friends, they will give you a very good profit at the end of month. You can see, my friends, very massive jump. But absolutely, you can see this slowly falls down again now. But absolutely, after a jump, my friend, every graph you can see falls down. But definitely, I hope, my friends, after this short fails, you can see this short fail, I hope they will again take a very good jump. Let's see, my friends, the last 1 hour chart. So what's going on? Exactly, my friends, you can see here after a short fail, they again take a very good jump. What a huge, my friend, it's a massive jump occur, my friend. I hope in upcoming times Vechain is also moving upward. Absolutely, this is the update of Vechain. So my brother, my opinion is that to please hold, don't sell it, and wait for the end of month. And remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you, my brother. So Vechain holder, take a decision, but please research personally. Absolutely research personally. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.